Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about how to use simple past tense and how to improve speaking skill using simple past tense in a short story or English in situation. Well, we use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. Well, the pattern of simple past tense in positive or in statement is subject plus verb to. Then to make it negative, we use did not or didn't after the subject, then followed by verb 1. Then to make it question, we use did before the subject, then followed by verb 1. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Then you should try to memorize and retell it. Now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. Jackie did not sleep in her apartment last night. And she did not go to the movie either. She did not go home. She ran in Washington Square Park, but she did not come back. She didn't have breakfast and she didn't go to school. Well, now please listen again and repeat after me sentence by sentence to improve your speaking skill. Jackie didn't sleep in her apartment last night. And she didn't go to the movie either. She didn't go home. She ran in Washington Square Park, but she did not come back. She didn't have breakfast and she didn't go to school. Well, do you still remember the story? Now, please answer my question about it. Question number 1. Did Jackie sleep in her apartment last night? Question number 2. Did she go to the movie last night? The next question. Did she go home? Then, did she run in Washington Square Park? Did she come back? Did she go to school? Did she have breakfast? Well, what about you? I'm going to ask you some questions about you now. Please answer my questions. Did you sleep in your apartment last night? Did you sleep in your house last night? Did you go to the movie? Did you go home? Did you run in the park? What did you do yesterday morning? Did you get up early yesterday? What did you do after you got up yesterday? Did you go to school? Did you go to work? Did you have breakfast? What did you do after breakfast? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.